Well, good morning and hello, fellow aviators. Today is November 22nd, 2025. I got a surprise that I picked up on Thursday in Torrance, and I think you probably know what it is, but I'll give you a little bit of a rundown of it. You can see I'm getting ready to put in some gas based on our 4.5 hour flight back from Torrance to Albuquerque. But here it is, my brand new Sling TSi 916. Don't freak out over the paint because I'm going to do graphics. I figured that was be a lot better than $13,000 for a custom paint job. And I am known to be frugal amongst my friends. Some of them say a little bit worse things about it, but that's who I am. Anyway, here it is. I'll do a little bit of a walk around. It's got the MT prop, again 916 engine. The flight back from Torrance was very eventful. It was the worst weather I've ever flown in. Would never do it again. Had to file an IFR flight plan. We were in IMC probably at least an hour and a half. Luckily, I have a lot of experience with the avionics because of the Bristol, and this plane flies a lot like the Bristol. It's kind of unusual that it does that because it's heavier, got a little bit more power. It obviously goes faster, but really good plane. Treated us well. I had a friend with me, Roy, who accompanied me on the way back, and he is an excellent co-pilot, instrument rated, not current right now, but instrument rated, and really knows his stuff. So between both of us, we were able to manage to fly around a bunch of stuff and avoid most things until we got to Gallup and entered some icing, and we had to drop down quite a bit to get the ice off. But anyway, we made it back, and luckily squeaked the landing coming in, although I don't know if Roy would agree with that. But I did. So anyway, I keep walking around, and I've got some new end numbers that I'm going to put up that I think look a little bit better. Just haven't decided exactly where to put them yet because of the graphic schemes I'm trying to work on. Haven't decided whether I'm going to have a paint shop do the graphics or do them myself. There's a guy that did a pretty good job of talking about how he did vinyl on his plane, and turned out real well. I'm not going to do that extensive stuff that he did, but I've got a couple of designs I'm looking at. So anyway, no parachute cables, no extended tanks. It's got let's see if I can get this a little bit better. Zoom out a little bit. There we go. That's maybe a little bit better. Anyway, no extended tanks and no parachute cables. In New Mexico, where I do most of my flying, it's pretty much flat. I know somebody's going to say, well, what happens to that one unusual circumstance when you're in the mountains or the trees or whatever? Well, I'll deal with that when it happens. Anyway, let me open up the cabin. I'll give you a shot inside. Basically, I hate to use that word, but I got, let's see if I can get this. There we go. All right. And up we go, and I'll get on the other side. And climb up and show you the inside. And I absolutely love this interior. Same interior that Josh and Kelsey are getting. In fact, they were out there last Thursday, went to pick the plane up. But you see the two G3X touches, GTN 650 autopilot, the audio panel, which I wanted, but black with the cognac leather. And so really like the way it turned out, and I think it'll be really nice when I get the vinyl on it. It's looking pretty good. And I'm going to take the wheel pants off like I did on the Bristol. Just to make maintenance a lot easier on the wheels. Filling the tires with air is fairly difficult with the wheel pants on the mains. You can do it, but it's not real easy, and I thought, why bother with that, especially the kind of flying I'm doing. I don't need that extra 1 or 2 knots. But anyway, that's the new plane. It took, let's see, ordered the plane May 1st, 2024. And took delivery 11/20/2025, so about 19 months, and that was quite a wait. Went out there probably 5 times to Torrance, which wasn't really too bad from Albuquerque. But anyway, I'll do another video about the TAF experience and the Midwest panel builders experience later on, but I just want to get this out and let everybody know that I got it, and this is it. Thanks for watching.